Here is how to withdraw crypto on crypto.com step by step. First, open the crypto.com app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap Accounts. Then select Crypto Wallet. Choose the crypto you want to withdraw, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Tap Transfer, then choose Withdraw and select External Wallet. If it's your first time, tap Add Wallet Address, then paste the recipient's address and choose the correct network. Name the wallet, and then complete any required 2FA or email verification. Once added, select the wallet address from your list, enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the network fee, and then tap Withdraw. Confirm the transaction and wait for the blockchain to process it. And that's how to withdraw crypto on crypto.com. Secure, fast, and works across major blockchains. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.